Dorset Global Solutions Acoustic Perimeter Seals Tripflex Corner Seal. The features and benefits of this corner seal are its unique, easy to fit, flexible corner hinge. The corner seal can achieve up to 39 decibels reduction unaided and eliminates the need for a separate smoke seal. The size of the corner seal is 11mm by 11mm, and this is engineered to avoid the overlapping of adjacent door ironmongery. The seal is supplied with a high performance self-adhesive backing and has excellent compression and deflection performance. This reduces the door closing force due to a low coefficient material used in the integral fins. The Tripflex corner seal is available in 3 colours: brown, white and black. The seal has been designed and tested to work with a practical 3 to 4mm gap between the door and the door frame. Please remember that our range of acoustic perimeter seals are designed to work with and are tested with our range of acoustic drop-down seals. To fit the seal, please ensure that the door frame and door step are cleaned thoroughly. Remove the pink backing from the self-adhesive tape. You'll notice that the unique flexible corner hinge aids installation. Press the corner seal firmly into position. Bend back the adjacent wing and remove the backing tape and press firmly into position.